Hello everyone, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 27. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. The first word that I have for you is ardor. Friends, ardor means great enthusiasm. Its Hindi meaning is utsaha or josh. Now look at its sentence. His eyes were bright with ardor. Its synonym is passion, or you can say zeal. The next word is assay. Friends, assay means analyze. Its Hindi meaning is जांचना या फिर मूल्यांकन करना. Now look at its sentence. He is assaying the essay. Its synonym is evaluation. Look at our next word, gimmick. Friends, gimmick means a trick to attract attention or publicity. Its Hindi meaning is chaal or notanki. Now its sentence, the promise of lower taxation, just an election gimmick to gain votes. Its synonym is contrivance. The next word that I have for you is subterfuge. It means deceit used in order to achieve one's goal. Its Hindi meaning is चाल या फिर धोखा. Now look at its sentence. Journalists often use subterfuge to obtain material for stories. Its synonym is intrigue. The next word that I have for you is juggernaut. Friends, juggernaut means a huge and powerful force. Its Hindi meaning is prabhavshali shakti. Now look at its sentence. We must understand this bureaucratic juggernaut. Its synonym is overpowering force. The next word that I have for you is falter. Falter means lose strength. Its Hindi meaning is डगमगाना या फिर लड़खड़ाना. Now look at its sentence. Her courage never faltered. Its synonym is hesitate. Now moving to our next word, malady. It means a disease. Its Hindi meaning is रोग या फिर बीमारी. Now look at its sentence. Violent crime is only one of the maladies of modern society. Its synonym is ailment. Look at our next word, mutilate. Mutilate means to damage something by violently removing a part. Its Hindi meaning is ang bhang karna. Now its sentence, the body had been badly mutilated. Its synonym is disfigure. Look at our next word, animadversion. It means a comment or remark, especially a critical one. Its Hindi meaning is alochna या फिर निंदा. Now its sentence, I don't want to make animadversions on someone's conduct. Its synonym is criticism. Last but not least is anodyne. It means a pain-killing drug, or you can say medicine. Its Hindi meaning is pida nashak. Now its sentence, the music is an anodyne to my grief. Its synonym is pain reliever. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of contrivance? A. Falter, B. Malady, C. Gimmick, D. Mutilate? Give me answer of this question in comment box.